Okay, we are in front of the larger garage, and we've got our rain gutter. Butt ends are supposed to be about an inch away from the structure, so when the water cascades down, it doesn't fall. The water doesn't fall next to the house. I get that we have kick-out flashing here in 2 places, and we're supposed to have that in addition to the gap. Composition shingles, see how the shingles cascade down? That's the way the water is supposed to run. It comes down the underlayment. See, the underlayment is over the drip edge flashing, because the underlayment underneath the shingles also cascades down. But once we get down here, the underlayment cascades over the drip edge flashing. But in turn, the drip edge flashing is supposed to cascade over the rain gutter. Over the rain gutter. Otherwise, you think water can get down in there? And then where does it go from there? It goes between here and the fascia board. And so the water starts collecting down here and causing damage. Now, it won't happen overnight, okay? It won't happen next week. But it won't be very long before it starts happening. Now I'm going to get a camera pole and get a better look around the corner here, and I'm going to get a better look at our roofing penetrations.